We're starting off with 2 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then we're gonna grab some mozzarella and we're gonna throw in about, I would say 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Some delicious green onion, is gonna complement this cheese and cream cheese so well with what we are throwing up this evening. Oh, I can't wait. Actually, I am craving this. Okay, so we're throwing in some green onion here along with our mozzarella cheese and our cream cheese. Ooh, it's gonna be so good and so creamy. That looks like just the right amount. Green onion right there, perfect. We're gonna start to mash this all together, you guys. So make sure that cream cheese is softened at room temperature. And if you don't know, if your cream cheese is hard and it's in the refrigerator, you can keep that cream cheese right in that package that it comes in. So just keep it in the silver wrapper, pop that in the microwave for about 10 seconds at a time, and you will have the best softened cream cheese. Okay, so just go ahead and make sure that is all mixed up. Now that our cream cheese is all mixed up and I just got a super intense upper body workout, we're ready to grab ourselves a Ziploc bag here, you guys. All you wanna do is you're gonna just take that cream cheese and that cheese mixture and we're just gonna put it right here in this plastic bag. Any type of plastic bag will do. I just have this massive Ziploc bag on hand, so that is what we're working with. So just stick your cream cheese right in there, just like so. You're just gonna wanna seal it up, you guys, and then you're gonna wanna cut the corner of it so it's gonna squirt out nicely. Okay, so we'll just zip that up, and we're gonna set this right over to the side. All right, now I'm gonna bring in here my baking dish, you guys. I have some Rouse homemade marinara sauce. I'm gonna open that right up. Any type of sauce that you wanna use, you can totally choose. That's definitely up to you. I don't think, we're not gonna use the whole jar. We just want the bottom of the baking just to be covered. So you might have a little bit left over. I don't know, do whatever you wanna do with that. Give it a little jiggle, make sure it's evenly covered, perfect. Now check this out, you guys. I have these delicious sweet little peppers. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of those peppers, just like so, that cream cheese mixture that we just made, and look at this. I am gonna squirt the cream cheese mixture right inside, so I am just filling up the inside of that sweet pepper, and then I'm gonna set it right here into my tomato sauce. I was kind of thinking what would be a fun twist on a cheese manicotti that we didn't have any noodles in, and I thought, you know what? These little sweet peppers are gonna be perfect to get the job done. So rather than ricotta, we're kind of doing a little something different here, but same kind of idea. We want a nice creamy filling. Now, I don't know if you would serve this for dinner or if you would serve it for an appetizer, you guys. I'm kind of even doing it for an appetizer over here. Maybe you would do it for a meal. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be filling up these bad boys here with this delicious, cheesy, creamy goodness. We've got all our peppers filled up, so we're coming back in with a little bit more of that mozzarella cheese that we have left over, and we're just gonna sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and around each one of these peppers. Just a little bit is all you need. Oh, it's just gonna be a great addition, and it's gonna look so beautiful against those colors. How pretty. And I love the cream. You guys, wait until you see this cream cheese and that mozzarella cheese with the green onion filling, and you are gonna love these things. They are so amazing. We are not done yet, you guys. We have some crispy fried onions, and I am gonna put those right on top as well. Yes, I said it, and don't knock it until you try it. These crispy onions are gonna get a little bit softer in the oven, and they just taste so delicious against the cream cheese filling and that tomato sauce on the bottom. The flavors complement each other so good. Oh, my mouth is watering. I could just eat these. Do you guys like these? You just eat them out of the can. I could just, you know what? This one, like, look at that one right there. That was meant for me.
Good.
They're so good. It's just so good. Okay, so we're gonna grab a little bit more of that green onion there, and we're just gonna cut just a little bit like that over the top. Okay, maybe we'll just give each one just a little snip. Like I said, all these flavors are just gonna cook together, and they are just gonna be super, super tasty. And I love onion. I love green onion. I love these French's fried onion. You know what? I just don't discriminate against the onion family. I wish my eyes liked them as much as my mouth does,
Nobody's
right?
eyes like them.
My eyes hate the onions. All right, you guys, now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and stick around because this is it's just gonna knock your socks off. Like, oh, I just love this so much. So stick around and see how it turns out, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how amazing those look. Oh, the onions on top, the cheese and the cream cheese just kind of coming out of the center a little bit with that tomato sauce. Holy cow, I don't even know which one to choose. Should I get this big yellow one in the front
Or the orange one.
Or should I get this orange one right here? I think I'm gonna get this one right here.
Okay.
Oh, look at that sauciness. Okay, let's put that right there on my plate. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that sauce and I'm just gonna put it right on top. Okay. Oh, it's still a little warm here. I really just wanted to pick it up and eat it. I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Mmm. That is super, super good. Wow, the sweetness of the pepper, that creaminess of the cheese mixed with the mozzarella is delicious. A little bit of chive. I love the French onions as a nice little added touch, but the inside, ooh, with the tomato sauce, that's what I'm talking about. You guys, this is a great idea. Are you eating this for dinner? Are you using it for an appetizer? Are you using a fork? Or are you gonna use your fingers? Tell me all about what you guys think. I can't stop eating this. I'm just gonna keep eating this. I gotta go, guys, and I'll see you later. Enjoy.